What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is #1 priority, and for today I'm going to show you a whole bunch more really cool gadgets I found on Amazon. And there's gonna be variety, some kitchen gadgets, flashlight, everyday carry, tweezers, some cooler stuff that I've been looking at. And you know what? Support me by buying something on my eBay store, links in description. There's even Pokemon cards for like $1.99. Help me out guys. They're sponsoring myself over here. Anyways, these gadgets are expensive. If you buy something, I'll just be able to like resell it back into the videos. I mean, buy it back into the videos. But also I'll be listing all of these gadgets really soon as well. I'm getting a good pile, and once in a while what I do, I make really good deals because it's open box used, lightly used items. Now it's going to be a really good deal at maybe 60%, 70% of the value, maybe sometimes in 50%. You can come out and scoop it up. Once in a while I will be doing a dumps of gadgets that I film on my eBay store. So check it out, there's some few things left, but usually they go fast. I think I'm gonna do this today and tomorrow, so this video will be posted in a few days anyway, so it'll be perfect at the same time. Anyways, let's get to the video. For the first gadget, I'm gonna start off with a really weird bad design. It's so bad it's good. So it's a magnet, not even a magnet. So it's a little box opener and it clips in. So keychain size miniature box opener. What do you guys think? So weird. Boom. Put it away. I love it. It's so unique. Look like a little suitcase on a keychain, but actually going to be very useful. A box opener utility knife. Okay, also there's another pretty useful little keychain tool. This is a nail clipper. How cool is that? And it's on springs, so that's nice. And put it away and lock it. So this is might be the smallest nail clippers I've seen. So bring it to go. Traveling, that might be a good idea. Maybe even camping, for if you go traveling for a long time, for a couple of weeks, bring that with you. That could be very useful even on a keychain. And the next one, this one is unique. I love pry bars, I love everyday carry stuff. This is one of a kind. I like it whenever they produce some unique stuff. So what do we have here? We have right here Phillips head, twists like this. Then right here another kind of like a tape box opener. It is pretty sharp, it's not like a pry bar. And then right here a flathead screwdriver. And this one I'm kind of disappointed with. What is this, like a wrench, like a bolt tightener? I would rather have a bottle opener instead, or something that is not like something I'd never use. But yeah, super beautiful. Could go on like a necklace, or it could be this how they advertise it, keychain. I like this ones a lot. So look how small they are. The tiniest gadgets right here for sure. Then I have right here green flat tweezers multi-tool. Look how skinny that is. I already used it one time. It has sticky, but usually it's connected to the metal, so it's kind of like one time use, multi-use till the tape wears off. There's a tape on the back of it, so it is a tweezers, super tiny. So how do we do this? Just plug this in together and kind of hold it, and wow, it's so tiny my big hands cannot handle it. But no, to be serious, it's actually very easy. Plug it in, boom, and we have right here tweezers. Take off a splinter, perfect. I like it. Super easy design, but works super well. This one is totally weird on Amazon. I don't know what this is for. It's for the next Halloween costumes. If I twist my fingers, the nails will come out, or claws. And it's so unique. It's quite satisfying. Go this way, and we have right here like a claws. Anyways, weird stuff. I said I'm gonna show you guys weird stuff. There it is. I got it here, U1 Pro utility knife by All Knife. Let's open it up, and this one is pretty unique. It has a bit driver in there as well. Okay, there you go. It's like look like a donut with sprinkles. So there's a button lock. Okay, this is it. Kinda have to push it with 2 hands. Very nice. But at the same time, what's over here in the back? There's a little lock. Boom. Wow. Little screwdriver. That is so cool. And there's a flathead and Phillips head and a button right here. Let me show you something. This is why they have designed this all-light little kind of like a tool clip. Put it on the clip, put it next to it. This one goes in the pocket. Need a different bit. All I have to do is take this out and then open it. Boom. So this goes together really well. And then put that away and switch that out back again. So this is definitely goes together, and this side here doesn't have to be in the pocket. It could be just on a backpack somewhere nearby. It says lock this way. Ooh, it's tight. Factory made was tightened too much, so I cannot do it. This is why every time, man, I wish I have a pliers. Oh well, I do. There's a multi-tool. This is why you just never know when you need pliers. GMT 150. So this is kind of like something different. Never heard of this brand. Let's try this out. It's super small apparently. Check this. Look like a butterfly knife. It's so tiny. Boom. And then we'll have it here. Mini. I'd say a bit stiff. But yeah, miniature pliers. So now let's see if I can unscrew it easily. This is perfect for this thing right here. Oh yeah. Now I got it going. And now I can undo it. That was a bit too tight in my opinion. It should be like hand tightening. Okay. It doesn't have to come out all the way. I love the design. Ooh, oiled up. Flip it over, slide it back in, and then hand tighten it back up. But if you want it really tight, make sure you have your tool with you and tighten it up a little bit more. No big deal because you always have it with you. But yeah, let's see what this thing is all about. This is probably the smallest multi-tool I've ever seen. A bit hard to plug it in, open it and close it. But what do we have here? A little screwdriver, punch, bottle opener, knife, and some kind of measuring tool. Don't know much about that one. It's kind of cool if you push it together. It can pushes this stuff out a little bit. There's a nail pull. Okay. Another some kind of hook right here. Some measuring tool, serrated knife. And file. Interesting. I mean, my favorite part is like this smallest little pliers, multi-tool, wire cutters, everything. Look at it. When I close it, it's funny. It opens everything up. So, oh, it's so tight. Definitely have some upgrades to do, but I like it for such a small multi-tool, skinny but long. Then I found this thing for 10 bucks. So another multi-tool. Allen wrenches right here, bit drives, and right here we have 2 knives, bottle opener, looks like a rope cutter, skinner, whatever you want to call it, liner lock. Okay, I kind of like the design. There's a bit holder, so just pull this out, put a bit in. Pretty comfortable. Super cool. Okay, push it back in. Pretty easy to put the bits in and out. And what is this? Yeah, if I need one of these Allen wrenches, I can pull this out. Ooh, they are magnetic. Man, this is super nice. iPhone charger with a magnetic organizer. I really like that a lot. And it's, to me, might be like the coolest invention for the charging wires, because those wires get so tangled up in my like a camera backpack. So I wish all my cords was that easy to use. Newest Wuben flashlight, I think it's between $25 to $35, depends where you buy it. So let's see what's all about. Comes with the charger. This is so nice. First of all, this has a swivel right here, so up and down, and this pull it up and has a swivel all the way this way. So that way I can put it onto a cap. Let's say I got my cap and I want to plug it in onto, let's see, it has to be like pulled up a little bit, I guess, a bit tight. It could be on a cap, it could be onto a backpack strap. And check this out, I can put my lens up and down. That's so cool. So I can still wear regularly, it's not too heavy, small flashlight. Okay, let's keep going. I'll put this back. Let's see how this actually works. This is some coolest features. And of course I can plug it in into a backpack strap, or like this way, and go up and down as well. But yeah, how do we charge it? Right here, open it, charge it. This is lock, unlock. Right now it's light, lock. Okay, there's a button and a swivel. So what we do is turn it on once, and then we press and hold. It will change the red. Turn it off, turn it on. Has a memory. Switched it, and then just use a swivel to make it brighter or less brighter, and it will flicker whenever we got the maximum. And then okay, press and then swivel for different colors. If you have those big cast iron pans and maybe your hands are weaker, so there's a little gadget for it. Check this out. It's unscrewed, and then I put it into a handle and tighten it up. So I know I'm going to be cooking with this for a while. Cast iron pans are really heavy, so you might need help, especially if you need to store it and hold it with one hand. This side here will be much easier because it has this leverage. It's pretty unique. I never seen anything like that. So just mix it up, put it up, pour it out, whatever. Ever grip for cheese by Chiefs. Very interesting, kind of like a rubber gadget. I guess it can fit most of the knives. So there you go, slide in there, and that's how I guess you're supposed to hold the knife. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.